Hey, UGG fam, come on in. Let's jump right into this video. Today, I am going to share with you guys my 3 go-to anti-inflammatory drink recipes. They are great for de-stressing and detoxing. Now, I am not a licensed physician, so please do your own research for your own health and safety. We all may deal with some kind of inflammation and water retention at some point in our lives for many different reasons. It's important to know what those triggers are when this occurs. It could be hormones, stress, diet, medical conditions. All of those can trigger inflammation in the body. Lately, your girl has been stressed, child. And today, my body let me know it. So we are going to start with this tea recipe. Now, with the exception of the cinnamon sticks, everything that I'm using in this tea blend was grown and harvested from my garden, including that turmeric right there. And I say all that to say that I will always promote healing in nature, because nature really does give us everything that we need. We need to be growing our own fruits, vegetables, herbs, flowers. We can heal from eating right from our backyards or making the correct choices when we go to the grocery stores. We can do this, y'all. Now, this tea will not only reduce my inflammation, it is also very aromatic. And we know our senses, when we smell something good, it helps us to relax. So it smells amazing with that rosemary and with that cinnamon. I let it steep for about 20 minutes, pour my cup, and then I will steep this again, drink it throughout the day, and I will even steep it again for the next day before I make another batch for day 3. You know, sometimes when we're dealing with stressors in life, we tend to take our focus off of the little things that add vast improvements to our well-being. Raise your hand if you're guilty, because I know I am. For me, that means staying on top of my gut health. I have been pushing kombucha on you guys like I am getting a cut on the back end, child. But seriously, I have ulcerative colitis, which is also triggered by stress, and kombucha has helped prevent flare-ups for years, until I stopped drinking it. So here I was intending to make Tepache, which is fermented pineapple peels and cores, but I left it too long and wanted to catch it before it turned to vinegar. It actually smells just like kombucha, but I wanted to test the pH before I added it to my kombucha that I have in the fridge. Kombucha should have a pH between 2.5 and 3.5. Vinegar is between 2 and 3. The Tepache ended up being between 3.5 and 4, which works fine for me. As long as it's not below 2.5, it's not vinegar, then it can go into my kombucha blend. So here I've already strained 1 jar of the quote-unquote Tepache, and I'm just testing the pH of the other jar, and it registered about the same, about a 4, which again is fine by me. So there's the pitcher of kombucha that I keep in the fridge. I brew my kombucha right on my kitchen counter, and I just wanted to add the Tepache to it to flavor it up before I add more of the kombucha to it. So this is why kombucha is so important to my anti-inflammatory regimen. Kombucha is a great source of probiotics, vitamin B12. It's packed with antioxidants. It helps with weight loss, but most importantly for me, it helps return your body to an alkaline state. Disease, bacteria, cancer cannot live in an alkaline environment. So here I'm just chopping up some mango just to throw it in the pitcher, add some additional flavor, some additional fruit, nutrients, vitamins. So here I just want to point out the floaty thingy in there. Those are active live cultures. That is the mother, and you will find that in organic apple cider vinegar, but that lets me know that my kombucha is alive. Eventually, I'm going to use that to form a new SCOBY and a new batch of kombucha, so drop down in the comments and let me know if you'd be interested in seeing that video. And last but definitely not least, family, I am showing you how I make my pineapple and celery life juice. Yes, life juice. Why? Because all the ingredients in this juice blend literally just make life better. We're going to start with the fresh pineapple. Chop that up, guys. Pineapple juice is an anti-inflammatory that improves digestion. It's rich in vitamins and minerals. I'm throwing in some celery, which is also anti-inflammatory. It reduces blood pressure. It purifies the blood. It's great for your skin. It's rich in vitamins and minerals, and y'all, it even helps treat migraines. I got orange going in there, which has antioxidants, of course, and is great for skin health. Lime juice, which is rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, also great for skin health, and it helps break down fat cells, guys. This juice is literally life. And here we have it, UGG fam. This is my go-to anti-inflammatory drink regimen. And you know, all of these are absolutely wonderful. They have lots of vitamins, minerals, and nutrients that help your body, but there is nothing that takes the place of drinking water. Remember to stay hydrated, guys. Our bodies depend on it. Our life, minds, spirits depend on having all the nutrients that they need. Remember to follow me on all social media. That's Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. Like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And for links to some of the items used in this video, check out my description box for my Amazon affiliate links. Learn with me, grow with me. I love y'all. For real. Bye.